What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. How is your 2022 working out so far? It's working out pretty good for me so far. A lot of changes have happened, including one of those changes in this video. I'm so excited to bring to you guys my bedroom studio cloffice tour. You know, I've had a roommate for the past like 8 years, okay? I've had a 2-bedroom apartment. The apartment has been in my name the whole time, and I've always, rented out my second bedroom. Now, I've finally gotten rid of my roommate. It's been quite a journey, because I had to get over the hurdle of, paying the full rent here, getting my mindset straight with that, trying to make sure my finances are in order and good to go for that, to finally pulling the plug on the whole roommate situation and getting rid of my roommate, and all of that led up to this moment in this video, which I'm so excited about. It was always been a dream of mine to turn this room into another space, of course, that I could work out of, create my content out of, film my videos out of, and I'm so excited to do that here. I'm honestly a little bit shocked that I haven't gotten in here sooner and started doing my content as far as me finishing up this room is concerned, because I finished the room maybe 2 weeks ago officially, and I should have been in here doing videos like this. You guys should have got this video, but I'm working 2 jobs. I'm busy. He's busy these days, okay? He's busy and booked, honey, making money, honey, okay? So but I do have time to get in here. I just don't prioritize it. That's all. I gotta prioritize more and things like that. But I'm so excited to show you guys this room tour. It's gonna be quick. The room isn't that huge, but it's big enough just for me. It's perfect for me. So without further ado, I'm gonna jump right into it and show you guys the room, and here you are. Hope you enjoy. All right, guys. So when you first walk in, immediately you are greeted with these 2 chairs. I wanted this sitting area here for guests, of course, for anyone who comes over and visits. Because my living room space is kind of weird, I wanted to create a space where I could gather with friends, family, visitors, things like that. So immediately you see the 2 chairs here. This chair here I got from IKEA. A really great deal. The chair itself was $50, and then the cushion was $50. I mean, you can't beat that. Really great deal. This chair I got at a Habitat for Humanity. It was literally $20. I got this chair and this table for $20 each. I had to get it when I went there. I got this mirror here from Walmart. And moving over to the right is the clothing rack. This clothing rack, I thought it was perfect because it displayed not only my clothes, but it had a spot to display my bags as well. And that was really important to me because I wanted to showcase my bags. I wanted to be able to, switch out my bags and, display them for content creating purposes, And so that's what I really appreciated. And I also love the fact that I can store other items at the top. As you can see, I have one plant. I plan on putting many more plants up here to fill in the space and make it more dramatic, if you will. And I have a dry erase board that says, "You that bitch," because I wanted to remind myself that I am that bitch, okay? Like, there's nothing I can't do if I put my mind to it and work hard for it, okay? So, but I mainly got this dry erase board to write down content creation ideas, video ideas, real ideas for Instagram, YouTube, TikTok. That's why I mainly got this. So I put that up there for right now. Words of affirmation doesn't hurt anybody. So to the right of the clothing rack is one of my favorite areas, okay? This serves as a spot where I can pick out my sunglasses. I got this case from Amazon. I can pick out the sunglasses that I want to wear, and then look at myself in the mirror, make sure I'm looking all good and things like that, And then over here, I've got my little cologne station where I can spray myself when I want to smell good for the public. And then this cool thing here, I got they're wall shelves, and I just turned it into this little art decor piece to hold my watches. So I thought it was pretty cool to use it for that. I forgot where I got it from. I got it a long time ago. It came with 2, so I have another one in the living room that I also use as well. This fan I got from Walmart.com as well. I love it because it's retro. It spins on its own. You know, you can have it spin if you want, or you can not have it spin. And it's great. It matches the mirror color. I love this color gold. They kind of accent the chair as well with the color. And I love it. I just love, you know, vintage finds. Anything that's vintagey, retro-y, I really do enjoy. Now, this little system here I got from IKEA. I've had a hard time figuring out what I want to use the space for. If I want to do different decorative items in here, or one theme, or several themes. And you know what? Much like the area where I store my bags, I think I want to switch it out from time to time with different things, just to have something appealing, because I feel like this would be a great backdrop for videos. You know, I can sit here on my rug and have this in the background. I recently bought a model car. If you guys don't know, I collect model cars. I have them all over the apartment. Well, not all over the apartment, but I have a whole other room full of model cars, my vanity room. And I decided to, you know, store that in here for right now. But I think I want to do like a model car collection, you know, display for this area here. Who knows? You know, I may do that. I may switch it out with something else. I don't know. I thought about it at one point putting shoes in there. I was like, no, it's gonna get dirty, you know, with the shoes. I don't feel like cleaning the shoes every 5 seconds just to make sure it doesn't get dirty in there, you know. And then up here at the top, we have these pictures here that I grabbed from this Louis Vuitton magazine that I got from the Louis Vuitton store. I went inside the store to buy a coffee table book, and you'll see that book in a minute. I have it on my little side table here. But all I did is just, I didn't have any artwork in here, so I just found a couple of pages that I liked, and I just cut them out and I just framed them. I mean, hey, it really does pay off to collect magazines, okay? So I just grabbed both of these from that Louis Vuitton little magazine, which was funny because it was free. They gave it to me for free when I went in to buy the coffee table book. They're like, hey, here's a free gift for buying the coffee table book. I was like, oh, cool. So that's a plane with like the Louis Vuitton monogram on it. You know, you've probably seen that before. I think this is actually a bag. That plane is actually like a bag that you carry and you store stuff in. But yeah, I got that from a Louis Vuitton magazine. I thought it was pretty cool, and so I just framed it and hung it up here. Moving on to the next area here is I always want like an area. I always wanted to turn a closet into like an office working space, and I finally got to do that with this room, which I really like. This bench here I got from Marshall's, I believe. Really cute. It goes with the aesthetic of the room, I feel, and I really do enjoy it. And I also got a curtain rod and hung up the curtain rod with my curtains. I had to trim the curtains because they were too long. They were like coming all the way down here, and you know, I had to trim them. And it works out great because I can close these curtains and I can use this as a backdrop for photos, which I've done. And that's what I really am excited about with this room. And as you can see, I've got a desk stored in there. I've got my sewing machine in there. And up here, I got this door here from IKEA. And I just got it at the clearance section. And I bought it and I put it in here. And I was like, it's gonna make a great shelf. So I store all my little bag boxes up there as well. And then over here we have freestanding mirror. I've always wanted like a floor to ceiling-ish mirror where I can just like look at myself, look at my outfit, make sure I'm good to go before I head out. And I always wanted that. And so I got this at Walmart as well. Guys, a lot of stuff I got from Walmart, very budget friendly. This was a very budget friendly room. And it looks great for the budget. And now this wall, I want to put some more artwork up here. I haven't decided exactly what I want to do, but I definitely want to hang something there to fill in that space because it kind of looks awkward with just an unfilled space there. But overall, I think I did a really amazing job with this room. Very budget friendly. A lot of things I got from Walmart. You guys know Walmart is very budget friendly usually. Now here is that coffee table book that I was telling you guys about that I got from the Louis Vuitton store. It's just basically a coffee table book. It's the Louis Vuitton manufacturers, okay? And basically it just kind of gives you behind the scenes photo images of how everything is made inside the Louis Vuitton factories, which I thought was really dope and really cool. Every now and again I'll come in here and I'll randomly change it to a page and just, you know, leave it there just for different inspiration and views and things like that. There's this one page that's really cool. It's a Louis Vuitton sneaker. It's really cool. I can't find it, of course. It's a bunch of pages. Oh, here it is right here. There we go. Turn right to it. I love this page. This is like my favorite because I love sneakers. But yeah, that is the room, you guys. And I'm so excited to film content in here. I'm so excited to come in here and film more of my YouTube videos. Really, really excited. All right, VIPs, that does it for my video on today. Thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you so much for riding with me, all of the subscribers that I have. I really do appreciate you guys. Let me know what other content you guys like to see. I've done makeovers to other rooms. In case you haven't noticed, I've redone my vanity room, I've redone my kitchen, and I've even redone my bedroom. So go and check out those videos as well. I'll link them up below in the video. But anyway, thank you guys so much for riding with me, and I will catch you guys on the next video. All right, peace.